Hello students, today we will learn about the continents of the world. There are 7 major continents, namely Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Let's learn about each continent in detail. Asia. Asia is the largest and most populous continent with 48 countries. It lies in the eastern hemisphere and covers about 1/3 of the total land area of the earth. It is surrounded by Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean and Arctic Ocean. The Tropic of Cancer passes through this continent. Africa. Africa is the second largest continent with 54 countries. It is surrounded by Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. It is the only continent through which the 3 latitudes, the Equator, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn pass. The world's largest desert, the Sahara Desert, and the world's longest river, the Nile, are located in Africa. North America. North America is the third largest continent with 23 countries. It is surrounded by Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Atlantic Ocean. The continent lies completely in the northern and western hemispheres. South America. South America lies mostly in southern hemisphere. Pacific Ocean borders South America in the west and Atlantic Ocean in the east. World's largest mountain range, the Andes, and the world's largest river, the Amazon, lie in South America. Antarctica. Antarctica is a huge continent and lies completely in southern hemisphere. As it lies in the south polar region, it is permanently covered with thick ice sheets and no permanent human settlements are found here. Many countries have research stations in Antarctica. India also has its research stations here, namely Maitri and Dakshin Gangotri. Europe. Europe is the third most populous continent with 50 countries. The continent lies to the west of Asia. Russia, the largest country, and Vatican City, the smallest country, lie in this continent. Australia. Australia is the smallest continent that lies entirely in the southern hemisphere. The oceans that surround Australia are Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and Southern Ocean. Since it is surrounded on all sides by the oceans and seas, it is known as an island continent. So students, these were the continents of the world. Thank you for watching.